The unsettling truth about AI in healthcare 2025. Will humans be replaced? As we speak, the healthcare industry is undergoing a revolution, one that promises to transform patient care but also poses a significant threat to human jobs. The integration of AI in healthcare is expected to replace human healthcare professionals. But will this be a blessing or a curse? The truth is, AI is set to replace over 50% of human healthcare professionals by 2025. That's right, folks, half of all healthcare jobs are at risk of being replaced by machines. This is a shocking truth, but one that we need to face head-on. The reality is that AI is not just a tool, but a game changer. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, diagnose diseases with unprecedented accuracy, and provide personalized treatment plans, AI is poised to revolutionize the healthcare industry. But what about the humans who will lose their jobs? Will they be replaced by machines, or will they be able to adapt to this new reality?
The Deep Dive: Understanding the Impact of AI in Healthcare. To understand the impact of AI in healthcare, we need to look at the numbers. According to a report by the World Health Organization, AI is expected to replace over 40% of human healthcare professionals in developed countries by 2025. This means that millions of jobs will be lost, and millions of people will need to find new careers. But what about the benefits of AI in healthcare? Will they outweigh the costs? Let's take a closer look. AI is not just a replacement for human healthcare professionals. It's also a complement. AI can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and provide personalized treatment plans that are tailored to individual patients. AI can also help patients manage their conditions more effectively by providing them with real-time data and insights. But what about the human touch? Will AI replace the empathy and compassion that human healthcare professionals provide?
The controversy: will AI replace human empathy? The biggest controversy surrounding AI in healthcare is the loss of human empathy. Will AI be able to replace the compassion and understanding that human healthcare professionals provide? The answer is no. AI may be able to analyze data and provide treatment plans, but it lacks the human touch. Human healthcare professionals are not just caregivers. They are also therapists, friends, and confidants. They provide a level of empathy and understanding that AI simply cannot replicate. But what about the benefits of AI in healthcare? Will they outweigh the costs? The answer is yes. AI is not just a replacement for human healthcare professionals. It's also a complement. AI can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and provide personalized treatment plans that are tailored to individual patients. AI can also help patients manage their conditions more effectively by providing them with real-time data and insights.
The future impact. What does this mean for humans? So what does this mean for humans? Will we be replaced by machines, or will we be able to adapt to this new reality? The answer is both. Some human healthcare professionals will lose their jobs, but others will be able to adapt to this new reality. The key is to understand the impact of AI in healthcare and to be prepared for the changes that are coming. The future of healthcare is not just about machines. It's about humans and machines working together. AI is not a replacement for human healthcare professionals. It's a complement. AI can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and provide personalized treatment plans that are tailored to individual patients. AI can also help patients manage their conditions more effectively by providing them with real-time data and insights.
The call to action: get ready for the future of healthcare. So what's the call to action? Get ready for the future of healthcare. The integration of AI in healthcare is a game changer, but it also poses a significant threat to human jobs. The key is to understand the impact of AI in healthcare and to be prepared for the changes that are coming. Don't get left behind. Get ready for the future of healthcare. And finally, if you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content on the latest AI trends and technologies.